Be my lover, oh. Charlie, we are doing some small recipe. If you are new to my YouTube channel, you are welcome. I love you. And God bless all my returning subscribers. I really appreciate your love and your support. Keep watching my doings. They are potatoes, so then I'm removing inside. See? You see a hole? I remove the food inside. Same as green pepper, I remove. Because of timing, I'm showing you small so that I will not waste your data. I just remove the food inside. You see? Then I will place rice, vegetable rice inside. So watch. I'm doing tomato sauce here. My spices I'm adding all-purpose spices. We are doing stuffed potatoes, green pepper, and all. Just watch and let's do our tomato sauce here. This tomato sauce, we don't add anything, just plain tomato sauce here. So it's blended ingredients, the olive oil, my garlic, everything. This is my olive oil, my onion, rice is short green. The rice is short green. This is parsley and green mint. Okay, this sauce is tamarind syrup. You see? We are adding small here. This is pomegranate sauce. This is basmati vinegar. If you can see it. So this is my tomato sauce here. I'm adding pomegranate sauce. sweet soya sauce. I need more pomegranate sauce here so that our tomato garlic sauce. This is lemon, yeah, it's lemon, then I store in the freezer. And this kind of recipe, when you are making it, you have to add a lot of lemon and a lot of soya sauce, pomegranate sauce, tamarind syrup, soya sauce, any brown, any sauce, yeah, you have to add it. You have to get some salt taste, sweet taste, lemon smell taste, yeah. Jesus, keep me near the cross, the precious fountain, free to all the healing stream, flows from Calvary's mountain. In the cross, be my glory ever, till my raptured soul shall find rest beyond the river. Amazing great, how sweet the sound. sound. He works in the heart, how sweet the sound. He works in the heart, how sweet the sound. He works in the heart, how sweet the sound. He works in the heart, how sweet the sound. He works in the heart, how sweet the sound. He works in the heart, how sweet the sound. He works in the heart, how sweet the sound. He works in the heart, how sweet the sound. He works in the heart, how sweet the sound. He works in the heart, how sweet the sound. He works in the heart, how sweet the sound. He works in the heart, how sweet the sound. He works in the heart, how sweet the sound. He works in the heart, how sweet the sound. He works in the heart, how sweet the sound. He works in the heart, how sweet the sound. He works in the heart, how sweet the sound. He works in the heart, how sweet the sound. He works in the heart, how sweet the sound. He works in the heart, how sweet the sound. He works in the heart, how sweet the sound. He works in the heart, how sweet the sound. He works